All right, guys, it's the Junk Guys down here in Frisco, Texas, and what we got is a hot tub removal. How do we remove it? This one was easy. We didn't have to cut it. We did not have to do any demo to it, demolish it, or any kind of remodeling kind of work on it. This was easy. We rolled this thing out. This thing weighs about 400 pounds. We were able to pick it up from right here and push it over into the truck, and we're done. I love this one. So it took us 12 minutes to do this hot tub. $300 charge. It doesn't matter if it takes us an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 12 minutes. We take care of business. It is right there. It came from this house here, the Frisco area. Anyway, just kind of wanted to show y'all what we did. If you need a hot tub removed, it is actually $300. It's a flat fee, 214-777-3095. Or give us a call. Check us out online, JunkGuysDfw.com. Bye-bye. Somebody's here?